last week we launched a really exciting feature that was a long time coming. It lets our users in Lens do analysis across many sites. Whereas historically, Lens was really built to go deep, dive deep into a site. So Abby, I have Abby and Eve here. Abby, tell us, why did we build this?
We built this to make monitoring faster and easier. So Lens is all about efficiency and enabling folks to understand what's happening on their land and track their impact. And this feature allows them to do this across multiple sites rather than doing each one individually, saving them a bunch of time.
Eve, what are you most excited about in terms of what this unlocks for our Lens customers?
Yeah, so excited. I think that this is sort of the ultimate efficiency gain for understanding impact across a portfolio of sites or conservation projects versus just one. So the days of manually aggregating impact site by site are over, and now our customers will be able to understand all of the good work that they're doing with just a few clicks of the button.
Abby, do you have like a favorite thing about either the process that we undertook to build it or the kind of feature in its final form?
Yeah, I'm really proud of how powerful the dashboard is. Like all things in Lens, there's so much under the hood, even though it feels very easy to use and accessible. It's crunching a lot of information, a lot of data at scale, and it's designed in a way that people who are not experts in remote sensing or statistics can quickly get a snapshot of what is their impact and what action should they take to maximize that impact.